Alienware has announced its new Aurora R16 desktop, a smaller, cooler, and quieter version of its popular gaming PC. The new Aurora R16 is 40% smaller than its predecessor, thanks to a new design that ditches the plastic exterior for a more streamlined steel chassis. This smaller size also allows for better airflow, which results in up to 10% lower CPU and 6% lower GPU temperatures. Additionally, the new Aurora R16 is 20% quieter than the previous model, thanks to a redesigned cooling system and quieter fans. The new Aurora R16 is still packed with power, however. It can be configured with up to an Intel Core i9-12900K processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, and up to 64 GB of DDR5 memory. It also has two M.2 PCIe slots for high-speed storage, and it supports Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet. The Alienware Aurora R16 is available now starting at $1,750. It is available in both black and white color options. Here are some additional features of the Alienware Aurora R16. Larger air intakes and exhausts with a 54.5% larger open ratio. Supports Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet. Debuts the Alienware Command Center for desktops. Overall, the Alienware Aurora R16 is a significant upgrade over its predecessor. It is smaller, cooler, quieter, and more powerful. If you are looking for a high-end gaming PC that takes up less space and runs cooler, the Aurora R16 is a great option.